कहीं पहुंचने के लिए कहीं से निकलना तो पड़ता है, तो आज शुरुआत करें वैसे।
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू दिस एपिसोड ऑफ मार्केट क्या लगता है। मार्केट क्या लगता है कि इस नए एपिसोड में आप सभी का स्वागत है। लास्ट वीक समरी इफ वी गो थ्रू इट, वी हैड टॉक्ड अबाउट निफ्टी is at important support level of 14,223. It was above this level of 14,223. So this would work as our first bearish target, was my expectation. And Bank Nifty, the first important support level was 31,510. And today we can see both these targets have been completed. Let's quickly go and check the WhatsApp group for the update on this particular message. What are today morning's message say and what people have done in terms of trading. So this is my today morning's message, which is saying Nifty completed the target of 14,223 on Monday, right? And Bank Nifty completed its target today, that is Friday. So I am saying that Nifty completed this target on Monday but couldn't sustain there. Bank Nifty looks weaker than Nifty but yet to reach the target of 31,510. Today's day will be crucial as yesterday's closing was very rewarding, right? Why today's day was crucial, guys? Let me give you a small hint. This trading week is a smaller week and we have a bank holiday on 26th of January, that is Republic Day, and because of that this expiry becomes small, a shorter expiry that we have, and because of that the action that is going to happen over a span of 5 days is going to happen on a span of 4 days. So the action has to be very euphoric. Now, if we see the market action as bearish, I'm going to focus on Coforge, Kotak and Dr. Reddy. I traded none of them, but I was aggressively bearish on Bank Nifty and Nifty, right? Now, the specific thing I'm saying that will not be aggressively bullish on market till this monthly expiry. Let's observe and trade upon confirmation is a message that has been given in the morning today. This is today morning's message, right, which has been given. And then after that all this started, that like people started posting about their trades. So this is Vaidehi posting about her trade. Look at the statement she is making here. In Marathi she is saying that कळलंच नाही की मी हे करू शकले. She is saying that I could not understand that I have been able to achieve this, right? So she is specifically saying that on a put of 31,600 she made this profit. She bought put at 409 rupee, 500 quantity, and she exited at 723. So this is the trade she have taken. She have made about 1.5 lakh rupees in this trade. The next trade which I want to showcase to you is of Dipti. And Dipti is saying at about 318 towards the closing of the market. She's saying Bank Nifty she traded and Nifty she traded. All put options she had bought and she made a profit, cool profit of 34,000 rupees. And that's an amazing thing. It's a rewarding thing because Dipti was studying in the morning and she was studying right from 5 o'clock and it has been very rewarding for her, right? The next trade that we are going to see. So Nitin is saying great going mates, hearty compliments to all those who traded. Dealt in Bank Nifty, rolled over from 32,000 put to 31,900, likewise 31,200 put. So since Bank Nifty was showing some marks of downtrend since last leg yesterday, could garner courage to keep my exposure high in terms of lots, result in gains in excess of 19.5 lakhs. So a profit of 19.5 lakhs on his capital. Probably he's having a capital of about 30 lakhs and he must not have utilized all the capital, but the gains are exceptional, gains are amazing. And that's how this day pans out for us. Then there's one more of Suchita, right? So Suchita traded in Nifty exclusively and she made a cool profit of 45,000 rupees. Again, all Nifty put options, and everybody was kind of prepared for this day. And this is how this day has resulted into amazing kind of returns. So this is Nitin's message. He's saying that he had bought 32,000 put option. This is a buying price, selling price 31,800 ka summary hai. And most importantly, the quantity ranging from 250 to 2,000. So all these buying, sellings he has categorically mentioned, some meticulous job. he must have taken a lot of time, but it was an amazing day. Nitin is a very disciplined kind of a trader, and he can manage these kind of exposures. That's far more important point. And these kind of days in F&O are not going to be everyday kind of affair, is something that you need to understand. And that's how these days must be seen. What I have done today is that I have taken a trade especially in Nifty and Bank Nifty only. As I said, I never traded Coforge or remaining stocks. So I traded categorically Bank Nifty options. I sold 10 lots of Bank Nifty options, 32,000, and 7 lots of Nifty options, and gains are good in front of you. Then I had bought some put options. So put options ke bhi gain yahan pe. Put option, the position sizing was very small, but the gains are good, right? So a 1.45 lakh का gain है on a capital of 8 lakh rupees. Intraday के लिए not bad thing. About 18% का ROI है. I'm happy with the profits. Cool. Let's come back to Nifty. Nifty, as you can see, the candle is like an inverted hammer type of a candle. As I categorically said that Nifty is not looking bearish as compared to Bank Nifty, and Bank Nifty is looking weaker in both these indices, in two of the indices. So when we are talking about Nifty and we go on to hourly chart of Nifty, we get to see that this target was completed on Monday, then there was a rally, and finally yesterday it gave up and then started its downwardly journey, right? So currently Nifty at around 14,366, and if we want to calculate the range or the retracement possible, a simplest method would be to plot a Fibonacci tool. The first target, as we can see, we have seen in the previous week as well, the first target will be 14,223. After completion of this target, we can find this target of 14,072 as one target for this particular week, right? So Nifty can reach to this target of 14,072. So this can be my target. Nifty bearish target of 14,072 is what we are expecting. I am expecting, and let's look forward to it, how this action goes. As I had categorically said, when the price will close below this level of 14,223, then and only then we can consider that the trend is changing, right? And let's go to Bank Nifty to understand what's happening in Bank Nifty. As we can see, Bank Nifty, the candle is bigger and a bearish kind of a candle. We can see here a bearish kind of a candle, a big bearish candle. If we quickly go on to hourly time frame and check here the fall, the windfall gains, as we can see here, we have already reached to a good substantial level of this fall. And now with respect to this, let's see if we can calculate a retracement first. Right, so this already is a good retracement that has happened here in case of Nifty. The next target, I personally feel the next target for Nifty can be 30,630 is one of the target. This was a bullish target prior to this, but then now it will be our bearish target. And all these targets that I have calculated are based on Fibonacci levels. So none of the target is taken by any support or resistance levels. Just follow Fibonacci and that will keep on giving you better kind of results. There can be intermediate bounce. It's not that it is going to go down to this level very rapidly or smoothly. Because this is a shorter week, I'm keeping a smaller target. There will not be a euphoric action as far as I believe on Monday. Let's see, but it is still market is supreme and we have to accept it. Just remember that F&O trading is not a everyday game. It's not a everyday thing, and you must understand the market trend based on your study, and upon your study only you can take these kind of trades. Exposures must be taken into consideration with your risk appetite, and with all these things, these kind of trades come and fall into your lap. Just you have to be patient about it. So with this, today I'm signing off. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do subscribe to our channel on Growth Module if you have not done so, and keep on liking our videos. Thank you so much, guys. है।